Right now, we're seeing a notable sentiment score of plus 0.14, but don't overlook the momentum at minus 0.80. This disparity suggests a significant shift in how sentiment is evolving compared to the historical baseline. It's a clear signal that while positivity is present, there's underlying uncertainty causing a pullback. When you use our World Sentiment API, you get a comprehensive analysis of global sentiment trends, including sentiment scores and momentum indicators. This can be invaluable for applications that need to react to real-time sentiment shifts, such as customer engagement strategies or automated trading algorithms. To dive deeper into how you can leverage this data in your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's enhance your applications with real-time insights.